I'm happy to see this sign. Cachoeira, that was the waterfall. See that lovely view there. Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for watching to a new video of Roy's New Life. I've been to the waterfall yesterday, a lovely day. It was a bike trip of 14 kilometers and I watched the movies back today, but the movies were good, but the intro wasn't very well. So I do that today, the day after. Maybe it's even better because then I also can tell you guys what you can expect on the video. So I'm driving away from here, picking up a bike, pick up groceries, go to the waterfall, chill out a bit there, and go on the way back. And you know, on the way, see a lot of nature, see a lot of environment, do a few stops, just having a talk, talking a little bit of bullshit, and another stop where I've been telling what I've been doing in the last 3.5 weeks. So yeah, you know, just a fun day, and with me and myself and the camera. On the camera, it feels like you guys are a little bit with me, so you know, that makes me feel a little bit less lonely. And you know, I had a very fun day yesterday, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So enjoy. Well, we got the bike. It's not the best one, but it works. It works. So yeah, next stop, supermarket. So just made a last stop at the bakery, got everything now. And we have my friend asked if he come with me, but he didn't answer, dickhead. So I got the route here on my phone. It's walking about 2 hours and 50 minutes, 13 kilometers. So that's not too bad, but the roads are only hill up, hill down, hill up, hill down. So that makes it a lot more, a little bit heavier. So just hit the road, let's do it, and let's make some fun. Well, got the first hill. Fuck. Don't know if it's a really good idea, eh? Don't know how many hills to go, but you see that road? Yeah, you see that road. That's the way to go. But not really the way to go. You see that road? You only see a little bit of that road because the rest of the road is fucking down there. But at least a good thing, on the way back I'm going down there. So taking breakfast now from the bakery. I show the powderkäse. Powderkäse. Oftewel kaasbolletjes. That's Dutch. So English, cheese balls. Don't really matter what language it is. It tastes good anyway. So chill out another few minutes. Drink a little bit Gatorade for a little bit of power. Cigarette for a little bit of power. And then we go on up to the next hill. Yeah. Definitely like this, like that last piece, but no, straight away I have to walk the whole way up. Yeah, you can't see how steep it is, but it's just so steep, eh? It's pretty dodgy with all the rocks. No, it's just, you're not driving on a road, you're driving on a, please go fast, you're just riding on rocks, which they cut off as good as possible, but you don't want to fall, definitely. Well, made it to the second top. I'm about to go down here, drive into that lovely view there. Let me see where I am now. Yeah, well. Okay, yeah, you can't see the route anymore. But I can't find it anyway also. Probably I have to go this way, so I'm getting closer, definitely. I'm already, it's only a few K I think. So I'm happy, maybe one more big hill. I'm happy to see this sign. Paraiso de Arcanjos. That's exactly what I mean with it's a little bit of dodgy road. Dodgy road. Just before I found the waterfall, didn't get my attention with it, and bam. Oh well. Found the waterfall. Didn't saw any car, no bikes. Didn't saw anybody walking, so I'm curious if anybody is here. See a waterfall there. That's a little one. Time to head back, because I want to make pictures and videos, and when it's dark it's pretty hard to get pictures and videos. So I'm going back to my bike now, and the way back is way longer because it's more up, so more walking, take all time and make a nice few hours of the rest of the day. And we're on the road again. Getting the whole way back. Not sure what I'm doing on the way back, maybe a few time lapse, stop at a few nice places. It's about 4 o'clock and I love that time of the day. It's getting, the color of the sun is getting different and the light is getting different. I take all time and so I don't fall again. And then we make a nice trip on the way back. Just so exhausting, eh? Wow. The way back is just 8 or 3 hills, but very long hills on the way back. That's the point. I think it's coming on almost, with a beautiful view over the mountain, well, over the valley and over the mountains in the back, of course. I want to go there, climb up a bit and having dinner there. I only have my cheese balls and cake, but I don't care. Having dinner with a view. It's there. Because the view is awesome here. So, we're gonna climb up a bit. I don't think that I've ever ate with a better view than this. I love it, eh? So peaceful, so quiet. I can stay here all day if I want. But that's not possible because we need to go further. I can't stay here too long anymore. I've been here for about 30 minutes. One more hill to go. And make one more stop on the next hill to tell you guys what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. And from there it's still a bit back home, only one way up. So yeah, still 1.5 hours to go or something. I'm getting burned a bit, but see that tomorrow, no problem. So keep going. Yeah. Well, it wasn't too bad to this stop, so but happily I made it. It's only one more time down and then one long way up, and then driving straight into the main street with a lot of shops and restaurants, and so that's nice to see. Make one more video there, and from there I'm almost home. So, but like I said earlier in the video, I would tell you guys what I've been doing for the last 3.5 weeks. The last 3.5 weeks. The first day I arrived, and still was a little bit of shock, you know. Yeah, well, I don't know what was I expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but you know, it cost me a few days just to chill out a bit and get used to the environment and to the house, and but it was going pretty fast. Also because Sander was putting a camera right under my nose after 3 days already. For the first time I was very nervous. A day later I make my second video, and a day after that I make my third video in English. So after that, the third video, I was making some bigger videos, and after that I started video editing, and all my energy and time was going in that for 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks. It's very hard, and you know, it's all about self-development. You know, all those things are new on the camera and editing, and you know, everything, putting my life, just giving my life to the world. So it cost me a lot of energy, and I just do one thing at a time. I started with my website last week, and yeah, and we have been visiting some properties to buying some land, and the next coming days we will visiting the land again, and then we will buy it. Then a huge project will start, but still can't tell you too much about it. So yeah, in 3 weeks I've been done a lot, and you know, it gives me a good feeling, gives me a lot of fulfillment, gives me a lot of self-confidence. I feel myself good, having a lot of energy. Well, getting a little bit tired now because of the bike. But yeah, you know, I'm having fun, and that's the main thing. You know, I'm having fun, and yeah, of course sometimes I'm lonely, but you know, with the camera it starts to feel like that people are with me all the time. So yeah, you know, so it's good. You know, I love it, and still, you know, it's just still for 3.5 weeks, but you know, the plans are getting bigger and bigger, and I'm getting more excited every day. So let's keep on going. So done it. Walking in the main street now, but my camera, my batteries are almost flat. Battery of the camera and my own battery, so I'll keep the main street for the next time. I finished this video here. I hope you guys like this video. To be official, like, subscribe, or do anything what you want, and hope to see you guys next time. Ciao.